Hello everyone, and welcome to my presentation about the Chinese character you. So in the past video we were talking about the character shi, which represents the verb to be, and in this video we will be talking about the character you, which represents the verb to have, or in some cases also the verb there is, there are. If you speak in German, it's the same thing as es gibt, or in Russian, for instance, есть, or in Spanish, hay, or iría in French, so it has also the meaning of this construction. And the pinyin for this character is very simple, yo, in the third tone, and it is a character that consists of two parts. I'm going to first show you the first part. It is this part over here, and we switch up the color a little bit, and this part over here. The top part, the yellow one, is the phonetic element, and it is yo, like this. And its meaning is a hand. It is an element, or a radical, if you want to call it a radical, which has the meaning hand, but it was chosen because of its reading, because the pronunciation of this part of this element over here is very close to our target pronunciation of the whole character. And this sort of bluish green element over here, this is yue, which means moon, and some scholars would say that it is actually ro, which means meat. And this is the sort of like the semantic element in the character, which points to the meaning. But it is of course very hard to imagine how and why this element was chosen to represent the meaning of the whole character, which means to have. But there you have it. This is it. So the yellow element, or the yellow radical, represents the pronunciation or the phonetic element of the character, and the bluish part of the character is the semantic, the meaning of the character. Now I'm going to show you how to write this character. So it's fairly easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, you start with the horizontal stroke on the top left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that's basically it. There is nothing special to point out about this character, I think. I used to get this character wrong all the time, because I used to have this element over here, this moon element, very, very disproportional to this top element. Either this stroke was very short, or this stroke over here was too long. In either case, they were very, very disproportionate. So make sure, if you look at it, and for those of you who are very good at painting, probably don't need this sort of advice, but just make sure that first of all, this horizontal stroke on the right side exceeds the bottom element by quite a bit. And another thing, the thing that what I used to do wrong in this character was that the first two strokes I used to write something like this. So as you can see, first of all, the angle at which this stroke comes in is very, very big. It should be much, much sharper than that. It should be something like this. And second of all, as you can see in this character over here, it's almost in the middle of the horizontal stroke where they cross. So it's not like in this case where it is too far to the left. So there we have it. So much for this character, and I will see you in the next video.